Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Pipedrive with two-factor authentication easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive login page. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, go to the settings icon, usually located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the security section. Click on security to view your security settings. Locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on the Enable button next to two-factor authentication. You will now be prompted to choose your preferred method for receiving verification codes. You can choose to receive codes via an Authenticator app or SMS. If you select the Authenticator app, download an app like Google Authenticator or Authy on your mobile device. Open the Authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed on your Pipedrive screen. After scanning, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code back in the Pipedrive two-factor authentication setup window. Click Verify to confirm the code. Next, you will be asked to set up backup codes. Backup codes are essential in case you lose access to your primary two-factor method. Make sure to save these codes in a secure place. Once you've saved your backup codes, click Done to complete the setup. You will now receive a confirmation that two-factor authentication has been successfully enabled. For future logins, you will need to enter your username and password followed by the verification code. This ensures your account remains secure with two-factor authentication activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.